We're at the Cookhouse now. It's one of the buildings listed on the National Historic District. The Cookhouse serves as the office for the ranch. It was built after the Johnson County War in 1892. The lumber for it was the lumber that they used to board up the windows and make the fort during their defense of the TA Ranch in 1892. So the Cookhouse was built in 1893. It's a log structure and started out as a 3-room cabin. Obviously it has expanded. We've now, I think, are into our 4th expansion. This room is our check-in room. This is where every guest checks in. We have hand-adzed logs on that wall. We uncovered those when we were restoring the buildings. They had papered newspaper over the logs and painted the newspaper. When we got underneath the newspaper, we found those beautiful logs, decided those should be exposed and people should be able to see those. It's absolutely gorgeous. The room was used as the dining room for the ranch, so they fed a lot of workers. They used about 16 to run the ranch in the early 1900s. Today we can run the ranch with 2 men. This is our dining room space, and it has now undergone 3 expansions. It started out as an open deck space, and then when we became a guest ranch, it was the dining room up to this point. And as the guest ranch expanded, we had to expand the dining room space. So we have quite a bit of room. We can seat 110 people in this room, and have really enjoyed it. We have all these wonderful windows. We have the ditch running underneath, so if we open the windows, we can hear the gurgling water in the ditch. This group of pictures on the wall is my Johnson County War Gallery. Every participant in the invaders is in the photograph, in addition to the cavalrymen that came from the fort to arrest them. Nate Champion. These are the invaders under arrest in Cheyenne. Here's a picture of the ranch house before the trees grew. Here are the soldiers getting ready to take under arrest, and here are the invaders mounted and getting ready to leave the ranch, go to the fort, and be transported to Cheyenne for trial. We built this bar about 4 years ago. We have had a lot of fun with it. We decided we wanted our top to be very natural. So we went to a local lumber yard, and they made us cut this and left the edge natural. We've had also a lot of fun finding local products to serve at the bar. We have a lot of breweries and microbreweries in Wyoming, so we serve a lot of Wyoming beer. We do mixed drinks, a little bit of everything. It's just a great place to gather. One really wonderful thing about the Cookhouse is that the ditch, the original ditch for irrigation for the ranch, runs right underneath our dining room. You can sit on the deck, listen to the water gurgling by. You can see horses coming and going. It's a wonderful porch. You look at the Bighorn Mountains, you look north at a great expanse of land, and it's absolutely beautiful.